Hello and welcome to Microsoft Word Training Part 2. My name is Dr. Arifa Garman. I am the Director of E-Learning at Gulf Coast State College. In Part 1 we learned how to open the program, how to change and modify the margins, how to cut, paste, etc. In this Part 2 we're going to learn how to open a file. So you're opening a file that you have saved before. Save as, save a new file, rename, insert an image, or insert a symbol. Like I've done in Part 1, I'm going to turn off my my video to focus at the task at hand. Let's start. So right now I have Word open right there. So I am going to click on the File tab. See how it's blue? File. I'm going to open. So there's two ways. Way one is I know exactly where the file is, which folder. So let's say I'm going to click on the folder that's called e-learning, and I'm going to click on let's say it's called course development, and I'm going to click on designed courses, and I'm just going to choose this file, and open it. And there it is, it's going to open. I'm going to close it right now. But let's say I need to open a file, but I don't know exactly what's it called. See this box right there? This is search document. I click right there, and so I'm going to say I want something that has the word budget in it. I think it has the word budget. So it's going to look at first in the budget. Notice that first it's going to look in the folder, which is kind of the highest one. Then it's going to look for the word budget in the name of the file. So how I saved it as. And then as we go on, it's going to look for the word budget in the actual document somewhere. So let's say I'm going to say revised budget. Okay, so let's say I'm going to open this one. I click on it. Notice it's highlighted. I click open, and there it is. It's open. So I'm going to close right now. Okay. So now we learn how to save, how to open a document, whether we know the name or we don't. So let's say this is a sample document. So let's say this is a long document. The first time I save it, same thing happened. Under the file, I go to save as. So I'm in my document. If I know where the folder is, this was created previously in a tutorial. But let's say I want to create a new folder. So in that folder, see right there, click new folder. It's immediately highlighted and give me space. So I'm going to say sample folder August 24th. I click open. Notice right there it's highlighted. Open. So right now, see I am in my documents, in the department meeting. It's a test. The reason I call it test, so that once I create these tutorials, I can delete them. Sample folder. Now this is the name of the folder, and I can save. Let me show you also. Let's say this is your syllabus, and syllabus. So we always suggest that you include your syllabus as a PDF. File, save as. So I'm in the same folder, but right now I'm going to click right there, the drop down menu, and you see this says save as type. So this is a type of folder. I'm going to click right there. See, it's PDF. So it's called PDF. This is a sample folder. You can click open after file after publishing. I don't, because I don't know. I don't want to open it. I'm saving it. Save as, and now it's saving it as a file, as a PDF document. So I'm going to open this is Windows Explorer. See how it says Windows Explorer? I'm going to open Windows Explorer right now. It opened on the second screen. So I'm in my documents. I'm in my department meeting tests, and in my sample test folder. See, this is a PDF. This is a sample document, and this is a sample document. So while we're here, let's go under creating folders. Remember how I said you can create a folder while you're saving? So I am going to be right in my department meeting test. There's always, as I said, more than one way to do something. I can either create a folder, see it says create a new folder empty, or I'm right there, right click, new folder. Always make sure you rename it. If I by mistake clicked out of it and didn't start typing, it's called you have a new folder. So let's say I'm going to create a new folder, you cannot have new folder 3. You need the name of the folder to be descriptive. I'm going to come back, but let me show you. So when I go to e-learning, training, PowerPoint for training, course development, when I click on that, designed courses 2013, 2014, designed courses 2014, 2015. So the name of the folder is self-descriptive. I don't have to think, I wonder what that folder is all about. I'm going to go back to this one. So now I have new folder 2, new folder 3. That's not what I wanted. So I select it. Let me select. I select it. Then I right click, rename. So I'm going to say department meeting. Let's say minutes of meeting. Right folder 2, rename, budget, rename. I'm just going to call it names, but you don't want to have folder 1, new folder 1, new folder 2. So now we have created all of this. I'm going to stop this video. This is a little longer than I normally make these videos, and I will see you in the next video.